Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add items to your wish list and where you can find them. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and if you want something to be added to your wish list, you can do that if you click on that item. And now on top of the screen you should see that heart icon. Click on it, and now it says that it's added to your wish list. And you can check your wish list out if you click on the U option, your profile option, which is on the bottom of the screen, third icon. And now you should see the wish list, and at the top of the screen you have to select the wish list section. And here you can see that I have 3 items added to my wish list. So here from here I can order them. I just have to select the items that I want to order. You can see that this item is already added to my cart. Here click on the checkout, continue checkout. Here you have to give the necessary information, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.